If you stop scrolling and pay attention for just a few minutes, I promise you, this video and what I'm about to share with you right now will change the financial landscape of your life forever. Folks, listen, wealthy people use tools. They don't just go make money, earn a paycheck, stick it in a bank, pay bills, try to save a little bit of money for retirement. That strategy does not work, okay? What I'm going to teach you right now is something that changed my entire life, okay? You need to learn how to insure your income. See, when you go to work and you trade an hour for dollars, and then you go and put that money in a bank, they get all the benefit, they loan your money out, they charge interest on it. All you got was whatever your deposit was. And then you go home and you pay your cell phone bill, your electric bill, and all your other bills, and then you have no fucking money left over. That is the way that banks treat our money. When you have a vortex banking setup, which is infinite banking on steroids, this means that you have a properly constructed trust that is allowed, that's the key, that is allowed to own and pay for your policy, that is also allowed to own your income stream. Very important. When you have a trust that owns your business, that has the capability of deferring taxes, and then that trust also owns your life insurance policy. Pay attention because this is vortex banking. The money that you earn now, whether it be through your LLC, whatever your business is, you generate that money comes into the trust can defer the taxes. The trust has obligations to pay all of its expenses, just like an LLC, S Corp, or any other entity. Well, if this trust happens to own a modified endowment contract, which is a powerful life insurance policy that will create massive amounts of wealth for you and your family, when the trust owns that, guess what? That becomes a trust expense. So now when you've got money that comes in the vortex, we insure it by purchasing cash value life insurance through the estate that doesn't have to pay any taxes. So now we're using tax deferred money to fund our family's personal life insurance policy. And now we're building a death benefit, which is creating equity inside of your family's estate that's going to pass on to your family. Folks, if you don't know these concepts, click the link in the bio, book an appointment with me and my